Hi, welcome to this video tutorial, and of course I remain Moses. In today's video tutorial, I'll be going back to localhost to set up some stuffs. So we've installed our WordPress to live server, we've cleared our dashboard, but before we deploy our localhost product to live server, let's do some setup. And without any further ado, let's get started. So definitely, to log into your localhost or to visit your localhost, you need to input localhost right here. And I have my website, different website here. So I have masterclass right here. I'm going to click on it, and that should bring me to my website. Now, most of you were complaining, on the page that whenever you click on your website, this is what you see. You are not seeing the page you created. I can always click on the home menu to do that. Though later on, I'm going to show you how to make your design your default home page, but don't bother yourself about that yet. You still have a long way to go, so when we get there, you get to learn. I can always click on home let me just click on it. I'm going to open it on that tab. I can always click on home to see my designs, you understand, but this time around I have to log into my dashboard, so I'll need to add wp-admin to my localhost also. So this is localhost, this is not live server. We'll click on enter. I'm going to come back here. So this was the page we designed when we're still working on localhost. So now I want to do some other setup. I'm going to log in, and here I am on my dashboard. So what we want to do now is we want to convert this particular design to a one-page website. To do that, I'm going to open my dashboard. I'm going to open my pages, or let me just click on edit with Elementor right here. Okay, it is not showing, it's not displaying. Let me just come to pages, and I'm going to click on edit with Elementor right. I'm going to open it in another tab. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead to drag in my anchor menu. I'm going to search for anchor. I'm going to put this right here above this title. Now most of you are saying you cannot add anything to the column. You have to hover over the column and a little bit above it. I'm going to drag in that there. I'm going to click on it, and I want to give this home. I'm going to give it home, and I would love to give it a margin top. I'm going to click on advanced, and I'm going to give it a margin top of 30. Cool. So I'm going to come back here also. I'm going to drag in an anchor menu or menu anchor. I'm going to drag it above this young man, and I want to call this, let me use one of our menu. I'm going to call this about. Let me just call this about. Now to come to advanced, I'm going to give it a margin top of 30. Cool. I'm going to come here. Now this time around, I'll be adding the anchor menu to this image. You understand? I'm going to be adding the anchor menu to this image. So I'm going to drag in. Oh, don't let us use this. Let's use this. Let's use this instead. So I'm just going to call the last one contact. So I'm going to click on anchor menu. I'm going to search for anchor menu or menu anchor. I'm going to drag it above this young man right here, and I'm going to call this contact. I'm going to click on advanced. I'm going to uncheck it, and I'll give this margin top of 30. I'm going to click on update. Cool. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to come back to my dashboard, and I want to click on appearance menus. I'm going to click on it, and we'll be editing this young man right here. So I'm going to open my website to visit sites. I'm going to open it in another tab, and I'm going to click on home. Cool. Now let's quickly fix the home num opening from beginning or stuff like that. So I'm going to open my website right here. I'm going to open it, and this will bring me to the home page. Now as you can see, my designs are not displaying, so let's fix that quickly. I'm going to come back to my dashboard. I'm going to come to settings, then reading. Settings, reading. I'm going to click on reading, and I'm going to click on static page, a static page. I'm going to click on it. Home page, I'm going to select this. I'm going to select home, and I'm going to click on save changes. So I'm going to open my website again, visit website, open a new tab, and this time around it should open our design as the home page. As you can see, it's not displaying this again, it's displaying this. It's opening our home page as the home page. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to copy this link right here, which is my home page link. I'm going to copy this link, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to come back to reading, and I'm going to go to menu. I'm going to come back to appearance, menus, and what I want to do is I'm going to click on the home. I want to create a new menu, custom link. I'm going to paste the menu I copied here. I'm going to paste. I'm going to add slash. As you can see, the slash is there. I'm going to add hash home, the anchor menu I created. It's hash home. I'm going to click on add to menu. Oh, I didn't give it a name. So I'm going to call this home. I'm going to call this home. The next one we created was about. I'm going to paste the link again. I'm going to add hash about, and I'm going to give it about. I'm going to click on add to menu, and the last one is I'm going to copy the link, paste the link again. I'm going to give it hash contact, and I'm going to give this contact. I'm going to add to menu. So I'm going to remove the former one we created, the default one that are there. I'm going to remove the home. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove the home. I'm going to remove the about. I'm going to remove the contact. So I'll be using this to replace them. I'm going to drag this back to this place, and about should be here and contact should be here. I'm going to click on save menu. Cool. So I'm going to come back to this page to reload this page, and you see something awesome in action. Cool. If I should click on about, as you can see, very simple. If I should click on contact, cool. If I should click on home, it brings me here. About, contact, about, contact. Now there's something we're doing next. We want to make our header fixed when we scroll. So when we scroll, we can still see our header. So to do that, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to click on appearance, customize. I'm going to open that in another tab. I'm going to come to customize, and let's wait for that to load. Cool. Where I'll be going to is the header. The header right here. I'm going to click on the header, and we're going to see something here, sticky header. I'm going to click on sticky header, and we have this young man. Enable sticky header. I'm going to click on yes, main, only main row. Now this is the main row, this one, and this is it right here. Yes, only main row. And enable sticky for mobile. Yes, only main row. Cool. So we have this, and I'm going to come to design. Site title color, you want to set it to white. Navigation color, default color should be white. Hover color should be orange. Hover color should be orange, and active color should be orange. Navigation items background, you can ignore this. Button, social, sticky header background color, I want it to be dark blue. Yeah, dark blue. Or let's use the light blue. Let's use the light blue. And sticky border bottom, we don't need it. I'm going to click on publish. Now if I should come back here to reload this time around, we should have a sticky header to our website. As you can see, now if I should scroll down, we have a sticky header, as you can see right here. If I should scroll up, the header is gone. If I scroll down, the header appears, as you can see. Now we have a sticky header to our website. So I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to click on about, scrolls down, contact scrolls down, home scrolls up, scrolls down, scrolls down, scrolls up, as you can see. Scrolls down, scrolls down, scrolls up, scrolls down, and we've just created a sticky header, and a one-page website. Now something we're doing next is what we call the scroll to top. So I'm going to come back to my customize. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to find what we call the scroll to top. I think that should be in general, and scroll to top, we have it right here. Now I'm going to enable scroll to top, and I want to use this as my icon. I want it to be to the right, and I want to enable it for mobile also. Now I'm going to come to design. I want it to be filled, or let's use outlined, and I want the colors, the normal color should be orange, border color orange, or let's make this white, orange white. So orange white, and background. So border, I'm going to select border to be solid and should be 1 pixel. Border radius, I want to give it 5, and scrolling button padding, you can leave that as default, and I'm going to click on publish. I should come to the main page and I reload. If I scroll down, as you can see, we have the scroll to top right here, this button right here. I should click on it, it scrolls up automatically, scrolls down, scrolls up automatically. As you can see, this is what we call the scroll to top. Now we didn't just create a landing page, we also converted our landing page to a one-page website, and also added a scroll to top and anchor menus to our website, and this is working efficiently. As you can see, scroll to top. So this is where we're going to be stopping for this video tutorial. Of course, as always, I remain Moses, and I'm going to see you in the next.